Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making a deep hair treatment using parsley and cornstarch. Parsley is high in nutrients, which promotes healthy hair development. Parsley aids in nutrition absorption as well. Parsley may assist with nutritional deficits if hair loss or sluggish hair growth is caused by a lack of nutrients. Cornstarch contains essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals that nourish the hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Apply to hair with shower cap for 1 hour for best results, then shampoo your hair as usual.